sometimes two people can want the exact same thing, and yet still find completely different ways to mess it up.
You know what? I'm out.
Yeah, that was them. They were heading to a friend's birthday party. Simple enough, right? Except they couldn't agree on which way to go. He said his route was faster, the other insisted his had fewer turns. And well, that was all it took. Two friends, two paths. Funny how one small choice can change everything. He didn't plan to steal, he just did. And once you start running, it's hard to stop.
What the fuck? What's wrong with you?
Most choices do have consequences, even if you didn't see them coming.
Hast du es eilig oder was?
Ja, wissen, ich muss ganz schnell raus.
Sometimes luck shows up in strange shapes. A scooter on the street, a second chance, or maybe just another race. And they both made it. Different routes, destination. Maybe that's what they were looking for all along. Not who's faster, but who still shows up.